Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new account to your Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts menu. From here we go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options. And here at the top we find accounts. We tap on this. And then in the bottom right corner, we find the QR code. And if you tap on this, the app is going to ask us to allow to use the camera. And we can just proceed by tapping on allow. And then scan the QR code that is linked to that account. And then it's going to add it here, and we can switch between them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.